Sometimes when I'm out on the water, I have no idea of what I'm about to film. I know there's a ship there, but I don't know what style I'm going to film it, or how I'm going to narrate it, or what information I'm going to give about it. And every now and then, something just pops into my head as I'm going along. And right now, I'm looking towards the ship and I'm thinking, the water is fantastic. Let's get the drone up. Let's get the drone capture me on the Sea-Doo, and let the drone then reveal this fantastic image. This is the bulk carrier from FedNav. This is Federal Thunder Bay. Enjoy the video. Right, I hope you enjoyed those drone shots. I'll put some music onto that one, and the main reason being, you can't hear much. All you can hear is some machinery in the background, so there's not much work going on like here, so you don't really hear anything. And I can't really hear much down here, so we'll have a little sail past her now. She's a handy-size handy-size bulk carrier for FedNav, built in 2023, and she measures in a 199.98 meters, just literally short of 200 meters, which is 656 feet, with a beam measuring 23.76 meters, which is 78 feet. And her deadweight, her deadweight tonnage is 24,763. It's always good to look at the geese go by. I'm going to see what I can find. Yeah, we can hear her now. I'm just spinning around in circles. I'm just seeing if I can find out what she's carrying right now. So she came in from Guatemala, was her last main destination. So she came in from Guatemala. So I just found that out. So what's she going to be taking back? Grain. She's taking grain. So she's going to be taking grain back out with her. And that's what they're loading into the hull. You see the machine just over here. Well, since we're here, let's go a little bit closer. See all the dock rash down the side, not the dock rash, the well and canal rash, where she's been through the locks. Pretty scraped up there. That big massive apartment up there, which is actually the funnel, it's huge. I made that little point about that on the last video I did of one of the FedNav vessels, because that is at the stacking system, the funnel, where all the scrubbers are in there, which clean the diesel fumes and make it nicer. So yeah, I look away from a crew member there. So she's just loading up. She'll be here for a few days because she's still sitting pretty high. Crew people over here walking around on the dock as well. And the guy on the boat's watching me in the binoculars. And the guy just waved at me. So pretty cool, eh? Some crew members there just walking around having some time off, because it looks like it's going to be here for a few days, because it looks like they've only just started loading it. So it's going to be a little while before they get ready to sail again. So pretty cool to capture this. No use of the cranes today. It's cool though. Go and talk to the crew. Some crew members over there. Maybe they'll want to say hello. Let's find out. I don't really like going under those lines though. That's the problem. You know what? No, I'm not going to, because the lines are tied right there. If those lines weren't there, I would have gone over and said hello. But I don't want to put my Sea-Doo underneath that. You never know, all right? Those could snap at any time, and that makes contact with me. It'll just decapitate me or rip my torso right off me. One last little look of it from the front, from the bow. What beautiful reflections we have today of the clouds, the sky, and the very calm waters here in the harbour. Very rare. As I say, the amount of times I've been down to this harbour and it's always been rough. Oh, the winds pick up really quick anyway. So there's our bow shot. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that video. Hope you enjoyed the look around Federal Thunder Bay. And here in Hamilton, loading up on grain before she sets sails again. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. As those YouTubers always say, it helps the algorithm and it helps my channel grow. And so there. So anyway, until the next video, stay safe. See you all very soon.